Yasemini all branches Pillar of Zion Church me te commercial but our branches ni bi ho a omunkiri
Samo
sofo mpampa ni fosam ampari fonso dwa sofo ama krofo ni bi ni sofo ya adwene ebi so ni mpari fo ya adwene
bo chiche no
wa sari adwene sitia ebi sofo ya bibi o ni kruso no mo dwena ho no atompani fo na toagu ampani fo ni so tia no mo dia kawo ya ko suru no to sofo wo ho okoya no yimpani fo ni nyina di no satene mpani fo betimi no makoro what you say no apakwala keto oba treasure e o kafe fiskabra betimi di aba sana bebritie enti sampani fo wa no mo kana nka o say ko headquarters la ofa bible na fe yenso yedin komo Bien, 1 Corinthians. Me no din komo kakra o. Korinto fo ngoma edikai. Etra ba kono na me pese. Me no din komo. Korinto fo ngoma etra ba ko. So ya osma fo po ngoma no a. Etra ya ba kono. Etra ya ba kono. Ni nchichemu aduonunsia edi besi aduasa baako
1 Corinthians 1:26
no me pesa agidifo ne akristofo ne oma apa nkwaje ende saa se me omutie ne yie otie ne yie ababoa wo apaja odi wagina yie se etobiri bi aho I say a man who Christo now who ye.
That's right.
Original trust I'm not say.
Was it current to us of no moonsum?
A moonsum
and some.
Current to us of no a moody
And some.
and some. And I'm passing. You do home come. You saw amen.
Amen.
The moonsum started from chapter 1 verse 10. The moon samino started from 1 to 10. Now, some appear high. A course of church BM. You see, America say. A course of our church BM. The Bacha Watamasia. Now, and now, make a certain uncle Safu.
Amen.
And ye Coronto. Asafu Bia, ye rather dear. Ana mekasa atre won.
That's right.
Asafu bia ye rade dia. Ana mekasa atre won. Mene yesa. Ensamna ababoa.
Amen.
O jeme so amepe. Amen.
Amen.
Yes. Original woni mi say. Corinthians afono. Na adia ye friend unity.
Kaboom.
Na nim. Na unity nim. Enkabomu nim asafo no mu dia na ewomu no say na ye nipa miense ana apie ho
Okay.
ba ko ni Kefa ba ko ni Paul a friend so ana ba ko nso di Apollo say nipa miense no omo nkoda nyese bi omo hia abo atwede da
Amen Sunday.
Apollo who Paul or respect Adama Paul. Paul who Peter or respect Adama Peter. But the Corinth, the church of Corinth.
No more munajijum.
What do you say?
Kwasempa.
Woman kasano.
Do mo jiji no biafa.
What do you say?
Kwasem.
Yawo Kefa fo. Yawo Apollo fo. And yawo Paul fo. Enti say Kefa fo no. Omo community a assembly a Kefa ni baka no. ane na Kefafoɔ no nyinaa afoa so sɛ Apollo ne ka biribi na sɛ sɛm no yɛ koraa na Kefa ka sɛ dabi ɛnya ɔmo nyinaa nyɛ ma wɔn Kefafoɔ no nyɛ wode aseɛ ɛnyɛ sɛ Paul ne aka biribi na sɛ Apollo ne ka sɛ mente aseɛ Apollofoɔ no nyinaa nso nte aseɛ wobɛkyerɛ m akɔsi dian ɔmo nte aseɛ saa suban wei ɔregyina ɛwɔ asafo mpanimfoɔm ɛwɔ maakuo mpanimfoɔm ɛwɔ YouTube enti sɛ ɔyɛ church a YouTubefoɔ no suban nko amaakuofoɔ suban nko prayer towerfoɔ no sɛ ɔmo na ɛbɔ mpaeɛ they are the powerful sɔfo pani ni hɔ a ɔmpɛ sɛ ɔmo take over evangelismfoɔ deɛ ɔi wode aseɛ ɔmo kora deɛ nipa afoɔ bɛgyina wode ɔpirikyi a na ɔmo maake no nipa ɛyɛ ɔpirikyi na sɛ ɔgya ma yɛ no a ɛbɛtumi apirikyi akyerɛ no kɔtasi ni wa nkyɛn mu ye ɔmo ntura ase o ogyina hɔ na ne nsa hyɛ no bɔ na ɔma comments ìbẹ̀ sẹ́mi kyerɛ wadeɛ nti church náà wɔ hɔ no yɛwɔ deɛ wɔdɔ sɔfo náà wɔwɔ branch hɔ tí a sɛm ni ye a sɔfo no deɛ wɔyɛ bia yaw ɛnyaw ɔfoa so ɛni ɛwɔ deɛ wɔdɔ area head hɔ sɔfo pani a ɔno nso dɔ area hɔ no ɛna mistake bi a bɛsi hɔ no ɔno nso akɔ report so ɔsɛ de ade ne sitie enti sɛ yɛka sɛ wɔyɛ district pastor na so ɔba hɔ a deɛ ɔno nso ɛwɔ district pastor na fa no sɛ sɔfo na ɔda branch ne kura adwa a bosuo kyerɛkyerɛ mu wo ɛna deɛ ɔma yɛ aduane nnɛ ɛna deɛ ɛnɛ ne yɛdidie ɛkɔtia o enti sɛ wọ́n sẹ́ wọ́n bí ọ̀họ́ a wọ́n pẹ́ di ọ̀dá wọn asẹ́bẹ̀ to the point sẹ́ yàtọ̀ adé sọ ọ̀sẹ̀ ẹ̀ bá fọ́dí àwọn sọ̀rọ̀ ọ̀rọ̀ ọ̀dọ̀ ọ̀pá mọ̀dọ̀ ọ̀pá ní asẹ́mu ni mìíràn wọ́n bọ́ 10 million náà 10 million ṣe ní bó tó mu a ọba sọ̀rọ̀ di akọ̀tum wọ́n di aseɛ mi pọ̀ sẹ́ ohun biribi asafo ni mo nsɛm o enti Paul akɔ hɔ kyerɛ no ɔte baabi ɛne akɔ bi yɛnka tan nansa
ɔse baako yɛ na nuanom menam yɛne Yesu Kristo din so metu mofo sɛ mo nyina monyɛ nokorɔ
sɛ church no mu no ɔmo nyaa nokorɔ anso yɛse yɛn nyinaa yɛgye Yesu Kristo ayɛdeɛ bai adi yɛkɔ meeting sɛ mpanimfoɔ akɔ meeting no ɛnkɔ bɛnkurom yɛbɛka asɛm no wie na obi asɔre ɔmo kɔ na ano apɔnte ba ntale me asɛm na mo ka na deɛ mera me nka ho nti na na ba yɛ din no jɛmɛ sɛ amen what you say yɛka na frɛ panini but na dwene ne nka ho drama nɛ wɔn kunkuru nyɛ adwuma wɔ asafo mu no original ɛni o mpaapamu wɔm sɔfo yi a yɛyi na firi ha yi ɛmmoa yɛn because nkyerɛkyerɛ ɔde ma yɛn ne yɛ akɔ baako sɛ hwɛ wɔn fi yɛn ne asafo no bɛgu asekyerɛ ne sɛ akɔ no yɛ di sɔfo no ba yɛ no deɛ no to ayɛ deɛ ba wɔsesɛ wɔma ne nkɔtɔ bio
sɔfo no hwɛ nneɛma mu
bɛsi asɛm a meka bi si wankyi Pentecost wankyi Pentecost ebi si hɔ all the details ekura me sɔfo no a yɛde ne kɔɔ hɔ no na sɔfo baako na hɔ na ɔmo yi ne firi hɔ so no ya mo ni ko no we aggressive
hweniamamie
o hweniamamie se come here to me vanjai avro se yampero o yimpanifo ni nyina ndi mpanifo ko no mbofu what you say
yes
me pese obadum ha wotie me tie ni ye empapa mu no wasafunu
o se betumufo se mu nyina mo nya anokro
what you say so be go dwaman na se mpanifo se betuna asa na bi nso agiga
mo ache
ye ko fo de boye ni abafie na wonso de boni anya futu ne ade ma ne tula se sa ya dai on se ntase ene na mu aye bisi basa abeko wo so mu nyina agire ko bankurom na punishment aseni pa ne ade ma no o ntase wọ́n sá ní adini sí tiẹ̀ obi kura de kọ́ ní fi akọ́ka kyerẹ́ nsẹ́ masa sáà ní ogi ase a wọ́n de yẹ gu yi diẹ wọ́n sẹ́ mi yà sọ̀rọ̀ pẹ̀lú mi yà mi nsọpọ̀tù o okò yi ni hu efiri mu jẹ́mi sọ amen mi pẹ̀ sẹ́ obi a wọ́n tiẹ̀ mi tiẹ̀ ni yie mpaapaa mu nneɛma akɔ so wɔ asafo mu no ɛno na mba kwan ma God spirit anya adwuma wode aseɛ nipa ti asɛm ka nipa atwitwa ne 19 wode aseɛ sɛ yɛde position bi ma obi a ɛsiane sɛ yɛ nyinaa bɛtaa n'akyi ɔdɔm akoma kurom deɛ ɔnim na deɛ wonim wobɛtumi akyerɛ no no ɔgya me yɛnhwɛ sɛ ɔno na asafo no agye ataa n'ani aseɛ ɔnye
African spirit
ɔkɔ asɔre nso sɛ ɔkɔpɛ nkwagyeɛ bɛto akɔda ne nkontwi nipa what you say wakɔda ne nkontwi nipa because was a time na original mo school ɛna mede to board so sɛ yɛkɔ nyina ne yɛhyehyɛ positions nti wo a wopɛ associate fa wo a pɛ secretary fa wo a wopɛ what is it treasurer fa wo a wopɛ can you say we organizer fa wana sofo baako prince epagane so no se papa me mpa hwe o de me pa na organizer no na me se fa o de ase ani e de treasure ama original me troma de o ana baako fa associate woni me sa associate no associate secretary enti obi afa ne de ahwe ya no ana me tram se we adwumani wensu adwumani afa to bi was enti papa woni ho adam se me ni ho a secretary taking charge the whole church
and ya ba no so amfa papa
he is the general secretary osani me per secretary na me say too late o ya se adia me pase ye woni ni se adwin ba ko a anya adwuma wasafu mu nti ama God spirit Yesu bompa bi o Matthew John 17 that's right o se aja ya wan ba ko sabe ya ba ko no but now
ba ko ye na yera
ba ko ye ni ho original sa sofo mpanimfo pa hia meeting bros nyina bam o ko na sofo mpanimfo eni asofo hia meeting na wo sasa aye hunuman ma senchen o mbegyina pulpit so de o mkam yomboa what you say politicians are foreign nkasa no politics wo mcha MPP ni NDC ba ko ye original kinkai
wose na anuanom menam ye radio studio din so betumfo se
mu
nyina mo nya anokro
asafo Christ asafo
what you say
all the leaders, all the church members. I was here, ya no baako.
Nem papa mu amamumu.
Said you buy your division. I'm a Christian.
Emu mabum awie pay your adwen ko.
Say ya no baako a. Hon konkro ma leading aba guardian. Na ye tu obonefo na free mu. Amen. Esansa no baako ye nkontino. Obi ba wuram no adi for trefo a. No akam.
O ye adwuma no.
No akam. and Chatia for Trofua, no come. One also say, Biadra. Say, dear Church of Christ. What's your Christian as Safono. Say, dear, be one. In the Freemason intimate transport, we say, another minister for me didn't come. Now I catch chance me choose all your game. Now I was saying I'm a delete be you ready. Member church now my letter me a dismissal. A foreign constitution in the say 10 million into. And the son to be near foreign and she says go away. What is it? The person and you may be a what? Or see a team up in Christianity.
Amen.
Jemeso amen.
Amen.
To us okay.
What's it? Munyamya no kren papa mu amamumu. Na mabom awie peyo adwene kro no suyo krom. Na menuanom krofrefo abayimu asutire sem papa mu mu.
Okay. If baby amu ya asor na yo be fie o. Na yo be fie. Ana fie wo fo na go ka kire Paul say. Wama mudu wambegu mi fie wasamo ya asor papa mu. Mi sada ba no omoko. So yes, mi sada ba no omoko. Am papa mu wo mu. Paul, I do like pay you by you or my pay. The Bible because you know about it.
Clue fearful.
What's it clear of your phone?
Be my suit.
What about you must shoot that sir?
Peria woman.
Peria woman. Obey your proposition.
That's right.
So yes, yeah. But you just my Paul can.
O se na me ye se mumu biara kasa me de me ye Paul de.
What you say?
Na me de me ye Apollo de. Na me de me ye Kefa de. Na me de me ye Christo de. Wa papa Christo mo.
Obusese. Ebi se me ye Paul de ya.
Ebi se me ye Apollo de.
Obi se me ye Paul ba na me de no. The Apollo ke kan ya me yintum.
Ebi se Kefa.
Obi se Kefa ba eno no.
Ebi se Christo.
The Paul ba kan ya me yintum. What you say?
That's it.
Ebi se me de Kefa Paul why you me de Christo no na me de me yintum.
Papa Christo mo ana.
Oyi no obusese ana so mu papa mu aba mu no. Christo no ya jata no mu.
No bo ma senu mu Paul di mu.
Ya ba mo so no, ya ba mo so se Paul di mu.
Bo ma so se Paul di mu. Be da Nyankopon ase me ba mu biara asuje Christo ani Crispo ni gawo se. Na me da Nyankopon ase se ma mo mu biara.
Mo biasu.
Je Crispo ni gawo.
Je Crispo ani gawo.
No bi anka se me bo na so me hye me di mu.
Won say ya ni city. And adia must study what church. The arm of God's spirit and move church now.
Papa mu.
Aye, disunity.
That's right. Kabomu enyo.
And kabomu ni ho. Division our church mu now. Obada say domini nyina to asro bia na again. What do you say? You say, and I know you be sorry. Obi abatra me me preach o kem. Adena, because of we are so them nsuo sisi ho. But you can say sanitizers ni ho. Me drain down so obi anfa na obi a wati obi a obi wona na ta so.
Obi. Ah.
Na me asem oba ye na obetie no wansakre o. Yes, I'm a COVID-19 ha che ho no. Sanitizer o mo fa bi mfiansa ho. Who sere. Health minister no sanitizer. Ono kwa de jamanu o de srasa nku. No de sra enso che no. Who sere. Okay na me tie na me sere. Me pasa na pai. Mama yanyai o de sai. Ampapa mu. Sa unity eba Christosuma eno na de rade honhom. Eba. Yango 26 no.
Christo asafu mu nsam.
O se asafu no. Emu nsam Koronto muntie
asafu mu nsam. Wase na menu ya na mo ya mo frɛ ne sɛ nya honam foma nyansafo pii.
Obi antie sasam wei. Ansama wasafu no mu no. Obi a wajetum sɛ Awurade afrɛ no no. one shane friend say and you honam fama nyansafo
enye atumfuo pii
enti so wo asafo mu a jayani ti sem no be ba to ade ase jay degree sem professionalism fatu babi
Kristo amesa
the position may a doctor put it aside let confirm so amen Christianity you're leading with flesh but you're dealing with the spirit of God what is it aka hunam dia anke benya hunamu akunini
asembao
was so mujina but asansa ye huhum ade ntino ye fade nyame pe
that's right
and abranti boy ya umchusu ni ede no onim school ba no wako
hunamu di onim
hwe o ma chusu ne so no na me secretary de no onim
hunamu di onim hwio
ye fade wako school a onim na mo ye fade God spirit atinimu
amen
what is it
yes
obi anyini wako school or professor but awurade mpano yen kopo obi ade hiri wo Israel awura someone call no woma who fa
nya guru abanane
but God never choose anyone except the otiwire mu no
that's right David
enti mama yenti nyame ase
amen
but what is it
asempa
enyi nipa na was control the church of God
that's right
nyame na was control na safo that is why I dem make be say Bible school na ya konse ko akopanim dia eye awo trese mu but an Bible school say makoba Bible school awie ntime me ya sofo pasa dia ani na kronfo nyina ya sofo obi ya konfo obi timi ya Bible school at the certificate that's why ya sofo I said, you make a man
papa.
I was a God spirit. And the two so be a bit to me in the idea. And yeah, Juma.
That's right.
Son identity.
That's right.
And Tiano Paul Shramu. Mama, I mean, Mara Hushi, other churches.
Amen.
Including Pillar of Zion Church. Yami and Mara Husso. Your churches will be a while. Sir, when in Bible on a sad day, on concrete to Musa day. Now when you're graduate, you can be a pastor.
And there's a church what is it?
You can be a pastor. And you mu hunamwade enye hunhumwade
school na nrechire dia masa
one school na nrechire dia oboa enti aye school flash enti bibi aye sise bia no aye flash yes Methodist Assemblies Pentecost Presbyterian CAC what is it Roman Catholic so when you qualify university graduate and try
certificate kura wono
and try yes I will be reference very very no yamao very no nyabi what you say
pa
the person in kabomu no ayadwuma
amen
na yamakwa God spirit and you say many are monsham friend say
na wona mfoma nyansafo pii
and you wona mfoma nyansafo
na nya tumfo pii
what you say God never chose them because when we say we are say onim nyansa ena nyamu afra onka say ohiri we bani ntia wo say me fa hemfoma
onya data
enti wo say nya tumfo pii
nya dasarehye no
onya ne salation sa
bida binyame de
na me ka say me say amfa wo say me bani sofo adoba me na ma wo no na wo nkonkuru ntunsuru so o me di sofo amfa wo
ambawo
ewade ma temi atusu ebia what they say dusuri say o me di sofo anso na me bani adoba ewade ntusu no
na bozi ni pa no
anso na ya force dia mewuram o school bo degree
kala ni nkura
ya mesuku kurantinimu
woni adwuma ni mo
ya mesu ya bibia ni pasam
sidi ndi ya adwuma pa wo
and a sorrow son, you only say a property.
That's right.
What you mean, some German mamma? Company. A German mamma. Na ni nyina na say ya nyinya me nkonkunu ni enti me namano me sro can say dusuri se bia obeye pani a o mama duane ni aduane a madie nti na wonya huru ba bia oye bonsam e che obi o te abonten
ana hinta wo mu
the followers of God is oh ya go Pentecost ma mo ma mo bu mfome na no kore asafo manu e na edi sofo na so bibi nya sofo pa wo mu dia wo ba ya presade ya da sade akoreta this one ko pass ansi bi empa bobia what you say me passe me kana mo ni ba mo so asem bia awrade ba fam mo aka mo ma mo bufu etesa no mo yam corrections
amen
you wodi pa bi omo ahu nyame afro won ya obatimi do omo yija juma pa nya de ketwo
oh
but me a silence won cause on nan ka Pentecost mpanimfo
ai
asa bra da bram me ami nua bi wa brasi asi me ngoni di wa bra asi se twan already enough about nti se no God spirit and your show for the by your juma but the battle your person what do I say according to Acts I'm not bomb pay to support and Barnabas and you some no kai was among fra Paul and Barnabas my na the rather home nam a person one year your mom pay and rather for monkoye he chose them one year 70 there's a somewhere you will when the certificate you can be
how many you
and the assurance you to one the amana pay and I may and you may make question was school
now the way
and I'm the original we ba me timi ka cha so twetwe ba ma so wadwene kasanya ana enye enya de won konkoro ka de wadwene ba kire wo senye no
self enjoyment yeah maybe you work you know
ayi na kan Pastor Chris
yeah
o say so twetwe ba ma nya bone so wadwene yo say ye bone a ana ye bone ma and your self enjoyment
that's right
what you say me pastor your ma God spirit ayi adwuma wasafunum
amen
onim say efra from Acts chapter 2 so omo nyina hia fa akoma kro adwene kro odi ase empa bokura anka nkonkoro ma so omo ko hia ho no na disunity wo man ko ma ya somebody all branches pillar of Zion church met commercial but our branches will be what omo nkiri
samo
so from pampan enforcem ampar enforce dwa sofo ama krofo no bi ni sofo ya adwene ebi so ni mpanfo ya adwene
boachecheno
wa on say ya adwene sitia ebi sofo ya bibia o ni kruso no mo dwene ho no atompanfo na to agu ampanfo no so tia no mo de akawo ya ko suru no to sofo wo okola no yim panfo ni nyina di no certain mpanfo betimi no makro what you say no apakwala keto about treasure e o ka se scabra betimi di aba sign of bebritie enti se mpanfo no mo kana nka o se the headquarters and so what some ho so we are sofu nyankopon sofu a emfa sore so property anya odia daily your pay akachia kaka unya no fa na se urade ho adom obetimi e pata ba ko pe obebie ne bu na gold onya yanka na yabra na so
verse was say na
26 no
26 was in a one of for many as a 4 p. And yet a 2 4 p.
And not 2 4.
And ya this year p.
And this year, and I was from
them. We are saying Quasadonian Couple is what
about here. And you're this year, and you're to the and you're sick up. What I say? Oh, was a city and Quasia dear.
When your couple is what about sharing as a phone.
Sign it, dear. Until so, oh, I was always so that they were telling what brabo or Korea wood. I said, we are saying answer for the and you. We are seeing young son in Yadeko until you be and so many wo. I just say, until the church Marco 100 Bejinawa. One have 1 pet and I won't conclude him. Black and I have 1. 10 years. My foot, I'm a dear master from your own yet.
Amen.
I might be Casa and command the idea. Just I'm a seven, I'm a celebrity. As someone Chamuo, you'll be the iron or Casso Mancabi. You'll be the iron, and I am saying, and just more than 30 minutes now, not from Baku. When you did, I was a papa better than congratulate. Call didn't also come and Pabako. They are choosing so on your panino, one acquired with the command. About a God spirit, I bet no. What's about
yes.
To submit yourself to the Spirit of God. No pretend woman. One go school that. And so disciples no be to say Matthew. What I say? Make me can say no share accounting. Or you be a woman or sika wadene. Matthew. John Mike, you are graduate. John Mike. You are graduate. I am a king. What I say? A small for Paul. A lawyer by profession. And somebody submit to himself. And he may pick a no one machine. Because no one dealing with book, but you are dealing with the Spirit of God.
Amen.
What I say? Zion say, obey a software and Solomon or Oman and Solomon and so. That's the way I suffer. Omuno. The woman is software. Adam pastors now, you want some of your software. Just say, Obi Kuraba or Castle Kosovo Castle was one of my Congo.
Woman, a crowd is average of.
What don't pay a man of you? Those who are begging, don't come back. No problem. Empire now.
2 million. That's a woman on cause of a case Japan.
I know to be 2 bomb. Me pese obi a wutie me tie ni. Church, we deal with the Spirit of God.
Amen.
So you who sad you we be boy. I no kura so for panu bia obi open ho.
Oh, that's it.
But what you say? But ma wadwene ne honam wadwene. Ti asemni. Onu say original me say. Bible asema okay, o se nya dehye.
Nya dehye, nya nyansafo.
Nya nyansafo.
Nya tumfo.
Nya tumfo.
Wi asenkwase ade no.
Owi a oba answer se de nyame yiye no. Wo yi wi asenkwase ade.
Wo yi so de be hye.
So de hye nyansafo de obai.
Aniwo. Asenkwase ade.
Ti asemri. Enti so we saw them. Na sofo no ye wi asenyansani a. Onka wona ya twusu wo no.
Amen.
Ofa wi asenkwase ade. Kwase bia nso ye hunu.
Oh yes.
What do you say? Money conscious. When I did fail off, and what they say, wait, car we are Tamano, you're going to say, Pathfinder, and Highlander, all type of power, 2003, you know. Where do I dada? So for now, Bahan or no deserve. ono na motoma no watnem nti me pe new type na aba no 2020 dia no ye be kwa busa ne bo no na nam over 2 billion afara fotuom sika adam ye 1.2 wose ane mo ntwan edura
na se mo kwaje kana na watua soso
ana sa mo nkotua 1 billion na mo nye kana na mo tuatua soso sa ni pa wo kure nyame dwene konkuru bia ntirimu afefa de ana ye ne fe okura wiase adwene ohoni ne qualification ne classmate be a lawyer what you say oda ayi your friend say we saka we Lincoln
no abena bono so be bona sorry nim
there are some classmate ni shama onu so woni so teka eye 2 billion mu no regard no nya sa wa limit no what you say some bang down boutique force on shit na bo so free ho na to so na de ko se roba mi ko se boutique na bo bo se aye what they say 500 million and 5 million obeto o wadire kura no anshanya ye free from ani ya to ye ne de akọ hange ho ani ye de boa bo obeto no obeba ba dan na hwaka se atade ye correct tade ne boaden ne Kristo ne me na wasem shade a ne boaden no use sika no kwa jiminti me shout
amen
me manu si ha ya
amen
tianiye obi a wajetum so ya wiase nkwase ade no obu ne hu se oye kwase
that's right
what you say
kwasempa
okosam jemeso amen
amen
oni awrade nante wisely o awrade hu se enokora oye ba
amen
o makwama God spirit a control
amen
on funny power when you discrimination on sunny pam what do you say
yes
on some when you're not doing so where you panasam where you panasam after all so for be crowd the branch no see you na free ho oni na chida ne de on be ya ne sefo ye baba be saw yankopon hye ne wadwuma pa obeye oye enimi ye se ebi a obesa ba abaye program ye so ye sha obosa dwuma na waye no ye beta wachi won se de so free wa safon kameba me yakọ ana bagi kura no
one God
I am one church, one spirit, one Christ.
that's right one spirit one
What do you say? Why you not free Hokurano? You are started bonds.
yeko
Because
ele me kwa ti
the make
ma huma ya ma
so the Muslim payment. Make once about question suffer. Kwa who dia ye ni nyi eh when you okra sana ba
ma hye wie
o ma si se wie mo ana mo de ko se mo mpame me ko bon se ba ko ye tu suffer na ni pesiku dan na na kufu adu so obi enkom bio
ko
o ti ase
ko se
so de okay o le wa kan sa ma twena ho me nyama o mu ya transfer ha swame commander swame district commander ya de ni ko yi the friend say baby ayiwe oh agabusuwe
akomada
ya de ni ko akomada she kunasio ani akomada
ti bi se o hwe mu dia na se
ya transfer from Kumasi to akomada ni ofie na papa ne be kram so ya transfer no na wa me kram yenye nti obetu Friday oko wa mu bo bia mani ese me nko no
oti ase
what you say
nkenya melo
what you say obi nso free tepa aba swame ha so say the city a triangle ama tapani no akomada ni no so akọ so say the ade na si akoye wo mu de anitie na so my government work but I suffer o ti lo ni no aka jo say me ni ma dan na makọ ha na enkom suffer ba ko obo ase ye transfer ne ba kuma se o so no hwa abusia tenya ne obesimi agye na abusia fo ho aba o te no enti adwuma asofo no ye no ani nsori ma ye no koroye
Ini ho.
say yama kwama God spirit alidi Mese mi hunu soja ni ya transfer na wose ma jaduma bara sofo jai e kan no nkona nko firi kumase a enkran sunya kura wa limit no sunya enkran ofiri nkran local wire awasa toso ye bia German ana Italy ho ye local ento de ni free Germany ana de ni ko US so ati ase eni etese wo esofo
Na chipa de eni.
ba so ba yi na free nkran adina ba se hua kontamra na me denya me ase ama Pentecost asafo eno ko ade
Mudo mo ya de o.
eno ko ade na me ase asafo no
Amen.
so ba chance for asafo awa Pentecost mo se menko me huru bi da
Amen.
babi ade no ba fa bia eno ko ade
Ah, what you say?
what you say but other churches
Na quiet thing.
Assemblies of God kura de obetena ho aba kokora akọ pension no de ne besi na nan be kan kura kira mo say ye jetom say adwuma no ya urade de ade a you are under authority of God
Amen. Amen.
ade ne entiase ye makwa ma ho nkonkoro nya adwuma ye nyini pasam emfiri ye mu what you say ye nyini pasam emfiri ye mu ye hunu mu abon ye ewiase sunu e dia kodi sofo no ye ntomu
Amen.
na ye fa Kristo so amwa ye bra na be sie yie na mi so
Amen.
no nyo kese